So good afternoon, students. Hello, sixth graders. So the previous video, we talked about the comprehension check number 1 and the types of questions that were in there. So we talked about main idea and details. This video, let me go ahead and screen share. I would like to go over the questions that you would see in the comprehension check number 2, okay? So when you go into there, we'll do a quick preview. Okay, so once you go into the preview, the first few questions will be about making inferences, and you watch the Edpuzzle on inferences. So that's, of course, taking clues from the passage and combining it with what you already know. Okay, so we talked about that. You watch the videos as well. So the first few questions about making inferences. Then it will move into vocabulary. Vocabulary is so important to understanding what you read, okay? So I'll do an example with you of using words. Select the word that is closest in meaning to the underlined word. We had a foolproof plan. It couldn't go wrong, okay? So then you choose the one that's closest. Now be careful. Sometimes they'll ask you to choose the opposite of the word. So make sure you're reading the question carefully. So you'll have a few vocabulary questions, and then you'll move into critical thinking. Critical thinking will cover such things as fact and opinion, comparing and contrasting, cause and effect, and then that should be the end. Now remember, however many points you have for the quiz is how many questions you have. Okay, so you have 13 questions for this quiz, which means you will have 13 points. And that should be listed right where you click for the comprehension check number 2 to start it. Okay, so good luck.